Hey, this is Tomas from AldermanFarms. I'm going to show you how to boil Easter eggs in an Instant Pot. First thing, you never use the Instant Pot without a grown-up, okay? The first step, you have to put the rack in before you add the eggs. Once the rack is in the pot, you have to start adding the eggs. Oh, be careful when you place the eggs in the rack. Now that is a pot full of eggs. The third step, add 1 cup of water in the pot. Step 4, place the pot in the Instant Pot base. Step 5, we're going to cook these babies at manual high pressure for 5 minutes. Always remember to close your vent and turn it. Step 6, we wait. I hate step 6. When the Instant Pot beeps, you turn the Instant Pot off. Since the timer turned off, let the eggs sit in the pot for 5 minutes. Stop! Now it's time to have a grown-up. The next step, we have to release the pressure. Once the pressure is out, ask your grown-up to safely remove the lid. Now that the eggs are boiled, ask your grown-up to get some ice and pour it in to help them cool off. Let the ice sit on the eggs for 5 minutes. To help them cool quicker, add some water to the pot. Now you can find this recipe on page 8 on Money's Cookbook on the link over here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye.